ध्यान से सुनिए। पूरे देश में आज रात 12 बजे से संपूर्ण देश में संपूर्ण लॉकडाउन होने जा रहा है।
Good morning everyone, welcome to my channel. It's been months that all of us have been confined to our homes. The way we are operating is very different from what has been happening for years. COVID-19 has left a significant impact on human behavior. We have 4 participants today who are going to share the lockdown experience with us. The 4 people are from different parts of the country and are of varying ages and are here to tell us about how the lockdown has affected their day-to-day life. So Amma ji, let's start with you. What do you think about the farmers' bill?
Hello everyone, I'm Leelavati from Ahmedabad and my hobby is to go to temples. But due to this lockdown, I couldn't leave my house and those annoying kids that I live with just won't let me pray. Anyway, coming to the farmers' bill. My brother who lives in Kutch is into farming and he told me that according to the bill, farmers can take their produce anywhere beyond APMCs and it liberates them from the clutches of middlemen. Lakhs of commission agents in mandis of Punjab and Haryana will stand to lose their control over farmers and in turn huge revenue. State governments will lose mandi tax, also huge source of revenue for them, which is why they seem to be opposing the bills. Thank you.
Waji, how has lockdown been treating you?
Hi, मैं हूँ बुआ जी from Lucknow. Dalgona coffee is all around the social media, so I tried making it just to post a picture on Instagram. Oh, and I also learned how to make 1-minute mug cake. Besides from these things, there are a lot of things going on right now. As fun as learning how to make Dalgona coffee is, and 1-minute mug cake is, the lockdown has made us stressed about all the other things too. Like maids not coming home to work. As you know, we have other responsibilities and housemaking is one of the biggest tasks. And in these times, we don't even have help of our maids. So we do it ourselves. We don't just get to sit around and type on our laptop and stare at our screens. We have to run around the whole house and keep it like a home. Also, my child is now studying online, so I have to sacrifice my free time and give him my mobile so he can attend his online classes too. I also have to help him in his projects. Doing all the work and keeping track on what your child is doing is quite hard on me.
Beta, how has lockdown been treating you?
Hello, I am Nisha Basutkar and this song summarizes my lockdown days.
Now this is a story all about how the days I spent are no more pleasant now. Shopping from Shein or playing PUBG all day around. Now all I do is just sleep and eat round. Savage love, did somebody break your heart is the only entertainment. Now ban of all the apps is such a big disappointment. Studying when bored is the only option. CM, postponing exams is not the solution. Well, one thing that all we kids like is how the online lectures have come up. Before, we used to wake up early in the morning, travel in those crowded trains and then go attend the lectures. Now all we do is just log into our laptop and then attend the lectures.
So Mr. Subramaniam, how has lockdown been treating you?
Namaskaram, I am Mr. Subramaniam from Kerala. Being the manager of the company, these days are not an easy task with work pondering. The only thing we keep watching is news. But it looks like a personal Facebook page of Riya Chakravarti. We just see news about her leaving all the important topics while it's Arnav Goswami's "Mujhe drug do." Well, after that, my wife running behind me with a knife gets me a little worried, though it is just for helping her with the vegetables and fruit cutting. It is so tiring. Look at my fingers. It has so many cuts. But let's talk about the Indian economy. The Indian economy was expected to lose over 32 crore every day during the first 21 days of complete lockdown. The outbreak of COVID-19 has impacted the nation in an enormous way, especially the nationwide lockdown, which has brought social and economic life to a standstill. Business activity in the service sector also fell drastically in the pandemic, hindered operation. footfall in the shops and led to decline in demand. The only thing that expanded in this time is my stomach. While the economy has just been contracting. And the another important thing, selling drugs and consuming them is a very big crime. Say no to drugs, and anything severe you can contact the addiction helpline from the internet. Dhanyavad.
The lockdown restrictions and highly contagious virus have got the entire world to a standstill. There has been an increase in domestic violence cases, suicides, people losing their jobs, lack of supply of basic needs, people getting stuck at the work locations, travel ban, closure of schools, and loss of lives due to the pandemic. There are always two sides to a coin, and if we look at the positive side, people are now being able to spend a reasonable amount of time with their families. It's challenging to even spend a good 2 hours with your loved ones with a fast moving world, but this pandemic has got all the family members under one roof. The positive and homely environment has got a good change in human behavior. People were relaxing, spending time with their hobbies, interests, and were having fun at home. The bonds grew thicker.